Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. So fall is right around the corner, and along with fall comes decorations. But if you're a woodworker like me, you've probably got some scraps laying around from some of those summer projects that you finished and completed. And so in this video, I'm going to show you a really simple project that you can do using these scrap wood pieces that you might have laying around and using them to make some decorations. So stick around. We're going to mainly use hand tools such as carpenter saws. I'm going to actually use a Japanese pull saw. You're going to need a measure tape, pencil, ruler, maybe a carpenter square. I will also use an occasional drill or maybe power saw here and there. So for the first project, we're going to make this really simple pumpkin that you could set on a table or countertop or something in your house. Again, it's only going to require one piece of wood, and I've got this scrap piece of wood laying around. It's 7 inches wide. It doesn't really matter dimensions. You can make this whatever you want, but this is going to be the pumpkin standing up. So I'm going to just kind of go with what I think looks right for a pumpkin height, and I think let's go 9 inches. We're going to want to make 2 of these, so 9 inches and 18 inches. Take a carpenter square, line it up, draw a cut line. We're going to draw another cut line here, and then also we're going to want to angle these corners. So once again, since this is a pumpkin, you don't want it to be exact, so just kind of eyeball what you think looks good. One more mark that we want to make is we want to mark the dead center of this board. And once again, whatever board you're using, you'll have a different measurement than I will. And then also know the thickness of the board. So in my case, mine is about 5/8 of an inch. So then we're going to take our ruler and measure the thickness of our board here in the middle. So mine is 5/8 inch. So the board is going to sit in the middle. And we're going to draw a couple lines up here again. Now I went with 9 inches on my height. We're going to take half of that, so 4.5 for me. We're actually going to make 2 of these, so I'm going to copy what I did here on the top section and get that cut out too. I'm going to start by cutting these angles in because it's a much easier thing to do while this is still in one piece. Then we're going to cut this out just as well. To get rid of the centerpiece, the easiest way to do it is take a drill and a paddle bit and just drill it out here at the end. Okay, now with both pieces cut, if you did it right, it might take a couple times just to trim off a little bit if this doesn't work. If you take it 2 pieces, flip the one upside down, and they should interlock between each other like so. Might have to tap it with a hammer and get it to where they're flush. And there we go. The next thing we're going to do is paint it orange, or really whatever color you'd like to paint it. Then find yourself a stick somewhere in your yard and chop off a piece that kind of resembles a pumpkin. Then with your pumpkin and some hot glue, you can use super glue or even wood glue if you really wanted to. Put a bunch of glue at the bottom of the piece of wood that we just cut off, and then smush it on there. And there you have it. Nice fall decorative pumpkin. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also, leave a comment down below and give me a thumbs up to this video. But thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.